Sadie, you're driving me crazy. Is there any chance maybe I wanna be loved?
Any hope of credibility the band
One way,
just now evaporated.
I rub you up the wrong way, or will it be the right way? I wanna be loved.
You know it's coming, don't you? Oh, what's lemonade?
I'm a secret lemonade drinker.
Did you know what he did in rehearsal the other night? That fucking flake one. Sweebiest chocolates.
Where's he gone?
Just getting that so obese dogs.
Sounds perfect, Jay. Sounds good.
Turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, you're too loud, Jay. You're too loud.
The heat.
This is going on Jeremy B.
1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2.
Oi, Jay.
Sadie, you're driving me crazy. Is there any chance maybe I wanna be loved? One way, I rub you up the wrong. Oops, I said that wrong. One day, I rub you up the wrong way. Or will it be the right way? I wanna be loved.
That's the hiss of the heat. With a rock steady beat. I'm a secret lemonade drinker. Always lemonade. I'm a secret lemonade drinker. Always lemonade. We're having a good time tonight, boys. Yes, we sure do.
Do you think he thinks he's in the bar?
This is definitely going on Kirsty's home videos, this one.
Do you want me to keep going, man?
Do the flake!
No!
Hey?
Do the flake one!
Only the crumbliest, flakiest chocolate tastes like chocolate never tasted before.
And never since.
Do we know any PG tips ones? Or anything?
But how long did Daryl say he was going to be?
I don't know, but you better get there soon.
Did you speak to him?
I did, he said he'd be here
Yeah,
by
but she
5,
spoke to him.
but he was still on the A1.
Oh, right,
I know
okay.
he's got a map, but...
No excuse, really, is it? 5:30 nearly.
That bloke's asking if he's gay.
Oh, we got some payment, look, great. That's a fucking big wad that is, eh? Oh, I'm counting that.
It's on tape, it's on tape.
Yeah, I'm taping it, I'm taping it, look.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Got to be more than that.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
I don't think you should be counting that, Jay.
Hey?
I don't think you should be counting that.
Come on, mate. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2.
What does 1
2, 2.
actually mean?
1.
2.
Jay.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, you! Don't do it to that!
It sparkles.
2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2.
Unless he took I thought he said stickers.
2, 2, 1, 2. You won't stop my mouth. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 2.
Thank you very much. Lovely, mate. Cheers.
Thank
She
you.
comes like a rose. 1, 2. 2, 2, 1, 2.
Who wants to water?
2.
I do.
No, I don't. One colour for me. Transparent.
It's funny, it goes in clear and comes out yellow for some reason.
I like it going in yellow, coming out clear.
Your kidneys must be shot. I don't know how they work.
Mate. I don't know, mate. I think last time the Buzzcocks were on.
You see all right with it?
1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Is this just monitors then, yeah?
This is just from the house.
1, 2. It's coming through here.
It should be a little bit, but we're not going to do anything. Just the whole house.
Right, gotcha.
Just so you know where you are.
Oh, what's this? Little basic. 1, 2! Two.